I think that it was in my junior year when I kind of hit that panic button and look back then, there was no internship where you could learn this stuff, right? So I quickly just figured out what could make money for a living without really understanding what I was getting into. And I think that was an important driver for me to learn more about how to educate the future investors in the world, was because I felt like there was a lot of information I was supposed to learn on my own. And it was very difficult for me to figure out, what it was. So what was banking? What was investing? And, I think that it would have been really helpful for me to have better education around that before I jumped right into it.
But when you were kind of by junior year, you had that panic button, who told you even about investment banking? How did you even stumble on it?
I accidentally found it in our career office back then. If you can picture back then, instead of having internet links to apply to, really dating myself and perhaps you too, you had these manila envelopes that you literally dropped your resume into, and you could just, submit them without a lot of extra cover letter work. And I just, I had a fairly well-rounded education in undergrad because I wanted to just learn how to think. And it was really my concentration in that led me to decide, if I could try to find through employers and through descriptions of companies and what they did, a role that would help me continue to learn.